Hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Krishnavan and I'm Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, ABES Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to provide the course description of object-oriented programming with Java. And the subject code is BCS 40. So the very first unit here is Unit 1. In this particular unit, we are going to cover the introduction of Java, how the objects are created, what are the programming structures in Java, in which we are going to cover different topics like constructors, access specifiers, static members, final members, and arrays and strings. After that, we are going to cover object-oriented programming with examples. We are going to create classes, objects, inheritance, overloading, overriding, encapsulation, and abstraction. After that, we are going to cover the packages. And in the packages, we are going to create packages, how we can build packages, how we can import packages. And this particular playlist is created by myself, uh, that is Mr. Abhishek Keshavani. In the next unit 2, we are going to provide the details of exception handling. And in this particular lecture, we're going to cover the exceptions, errors, types of exceptions, what are the JVM reaction to exceptions, what is the use of try, catch, and finally, we have to cover the differences between checked and unchecked exception. After that, we are going to cover input and output basics, which is byte streams and the character stream. Later on, we are going to cover multi-threading, in which we are going to see how we can create thread, what are the life cycle, their priorities, how we can communicate different between threads, and the these thread how the communication is actually done. So we'll practically do this also. And this particular playlist will be created by Ms. Nimansha Singh. In the third unit, we are going to cover the new features of Java. And in this particular video series, we are going to cover the Lambda expression, methods, references, stream API, and we are also going to cover the static method base 64 info, try with resource, and so on. And then we will cover the Java module system with the diamond syntax with 08 and on this class. And local variable, what are the type inference switch expression also. And this particular unit is unit 3, that a playlist covered by Ms. Sandhya Saraswati. In the unit 4, we are going to cover the Java collection framework. And in this video series, we are going to cover the collections in Java, collection framework in Java, what are the hierarchy of collection framework, iterator interface. And this particular collection interface also contains a list interface, array list, linked list. So we will practically implement these with the help of programming concepts of stack, queue interface, and set interface. We'll also cover linked hash set, sorted interface, tree set map interface, and this particular playlist of Unit 4 is covered by Ms. Pranshi Verma. In the Unit 5, that is the last unit of basically this lecture series, and it is also very important also for development of the Spring application. So here we have the Spring framework and the Spring tool. In Spring framework, we'll cover the Spring core basics, Spring dependency, injections, and Spring inversion of control, AOP, WebSocket, bean configuration. So basically, in the Spring framework, we'll cover these. After that, we'll start the Spring Boot. In this, we will create some APIs also related to get, post, and we'll also build web application with the help of Spring Boot. And this particular playlist was created by Mr. Prashant Kumar. So this is all about the journey of the particular unit 1 to unit 5. So we'll start with the unit 1 with the introduction of the Java programming, and we will end with the application building using the framework. These are the references will be used while creating this lecture series. Thank you. So see you in the from the very beginning of the unit 1, in which we are going to cover about the introduction of Java and basics of Java and how we'll create a basic Java program. Okay. So let's see you in the next lecture.